Imagine eating every meal raw. No rice, no dal, no cooked vegetables, no warmth. Now imagine trying to live like that with the brain you have today. You couldn't, because the human brain exists because of cooked food. Cooking didn't just change what humans ate, it changed human biology itself. For most of life on Earth, food was eaten raw. Early humans chewed tough plants, raw roots, and sinewy meat. Eating took hours. Digestion took enormous energy. Early humans had large jaws, strong teeth, long digestive tracts, and relatively small brains. This wasn't a mistake. It was biology making a trade-off. Digesting raw food is expensive. It demands time, effort, and energy. And evolution always works with limited energy. If more energy is spent on digestion, less is available for everything else. Then something extraordinary happened. Humans learned to control fire. At first, fire meant warmth and protection. But eventually, humans did something far more powerful. They used fire to cook food, and cooking achieved something evolution alone could not do quickly. It began digesting food outside the body. When food is cooked, heat changes it at a molecular level. Proteins unfold, making their building blocks easier to absorb. Starches soften and transform into usable glucose. Plant cell walls break open, releasing nutrients that would otherwise pass through the body unused. Harmful microbes die, making food safer to eat. Cooking turns calories into accessible energy. This small change had enormous consequences. With cooked food, humans no longer needed massive jaws or extremely long intestines. Digestion became faster and more efficient. Less energy was spent breaking food down. And suddenly, the body had extra energy to invest elsewhere. Evolution faced a choice. That energy didn't go into stronger muscles or sharper teeth. It went into the brain. The human brain is one of the most energy-hungry organs in nature. It consumes about 1/5 of all the energy we use, even when we are doing nothing. Growing such a brain would have been impossible on a raw food diet alone. Cooking made large brains biologically affordable. As brains grew, faces became smaller. Teeth shrank. Guts shortened. Childhood became longer, allowing time for learning. Memory improved. Planning emerged. Language slowly took shape. This is why many anthropologists say cooking made us human. But the impact of cooking didn't stop at anatomy. It reshaped behavior. Cooking required waiting. Food had to be watched, protected, and shared. People gathered around fire, not just to eat, but to stay safe. These gatherings strengthened social bonds. Communication became necessary. Cooperation became valuable. Around fire, humans didn't just share food. They shared attention. This is likely where storytelling began, not as entertainment, but as survival. Stories carried warnings, lessons, and shared meaning. Biology shaped culture, and culture reshaped biology in return. Even today, this ancient adaptation lives inside us. Modern debates about raw versus cooked diets often ignore one simple truth. Humans are not designed for raw food alone. Our bodies are adapted to warmth, softness, and cooked meals. This doesn't mean ultra-processed food is healthy, but it does mean cooking supports digestion, nutrient absorption, and energy balance in ways our biology expects. When cooked food feels comforting, it's not weakness, it's memory. Fire didn't just cook food, it cooked human potential. Every thought you think, every story you understand, every question you ask is powered by meals eaten long ago, by ancestors who sat around fire and transformed raw matter into meaning. Cooking didn't make food better, it made humans possible.